What if I told you we had a line of products specifically designed and engineered for Harley-Davidson? And it's from a brand that enthusiasts already know and trust. Stay tuned, let's talk about it. Josh here from KENWOOD, and today I want to talk to you about our Harley-Davidson specific products. Now what's cool is here at KENWOOD we have a wide array of products that have been out for the years that we've had in existence of our history. But we didn't want to take those products and repurpose them. We wanted to come to market with products that were specifically designed and engineered for these applications. This gives us some strategic advantages. For example, we do not have to flash the factory Harley radio. Also, it's entirely plug and play to make it a seamless integration into the Harley-Davidson motorcycle itself. Now the added perk to that is you can literally remove this entire system and put everything back to stock without any evidence of ever getting inside of that at all. These products were designed and engineered for the Harley, but also for the rider. So if you're interested in learning more about this, I would highly encourage you to head over to our website, kenwood.com, check out our motorcycle products, even put into our fit guide to see which products make sense for you.